Hi, I'm Denna. You've drawn card number 3, the golden key. Gratitude is the golden key that unlocks the doors to abundance, joy, and divine alignment. When you give thanks in advance for what you desire, you affirm your trust in the universe's timing. This card is a reminder your manifestations are already forming. The more gratitude you express, the faster these doors open. So let go of doubt, trust the process. Your gratitude is key. So ask yourself now, what doors are awaiting to be unlocked in your life? I'm Denna the Connector, and thanks for listening. Remember, you can make a difference, you can collaborate, you can grow. And like me, you can travel, inspire, and grow.